This handheld laser welding machine features core advantages: easy operation, faster speed, no deformation, less labor cost, and no polishing needed. Portable and flexible, it requires no professional welder. New workers can operate it easily, solving the problem of difficult recruitment and high labor costs. Equipped with 10 dual-swing welding patterns, it perfectly solves uneven gaps and thin plate burn-through problems. It provides wider, fuller, and more tolerant welding seams. Ultra-low heat deformation. No plate burning, no penetration, no distortion. The biggest advantage for thin metal welding. Welding speed is 3 times faster than traditional argon welding. Welds are smooth, neat, and require almost no post-grinding, greatly improving production efficiency. It welds stainless steel, carbon steel, aluminum alloy, and galvanized sheet perfectly, suitable for all-angle welding of sheet metal hardware and special-shaped workpieces. With low consumables, low failure rate, and safer working environment, it greatly reduces long-term production costs. It is the best upgrade equipment for metal factories to replace traditional welding, reduce costs, and solve thin plate deformation problems. This 4-in-1 multifunctional handheld laser welding machine integrates 4 core functions: laser welding, sheet metal cutting, metal rust removal, and weld cleaning. One machine completes the whole workflow: pre-weld surface treatment, welding, post-weld finishing, and on-site cutting. DN Laser. Cut future weld dream.